everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with today's tutorial. So introducing the stationery that I will be using today. It's a Staedtler pencil, Doms eraser and the Posca pen for the outline. And these are the shades of brown that I will be using today. These are the Faber-Castell pencil colors. The links for all the products are available in the description. You can check them there. So today I am going to draw a bench. So just making the basic structure with the pencils, drawing a sleeping line, one more sleeping line, then joining it with the two standing lines on both the sides. Now making one more standing line for the support, another one on the other side for the support. Now a sleeping line here, one more sleeping line, this is bigger than the first one, joining them with the slanting line on both the sides, making a standing line on one side and another standing line on the other side, and then joining it again with the sleeping line. So this is the seat. Now making a base line for the legs of the bench, making another sleeping line for the legs at the back side. Now making a standing line, one more standing line, this is smaller. Now making the same standing lines on the other side. So we are done with the basic structure of the drawing, the pencil drawing. Now we are making the lines with the sketch pen. So just outlining the pencil line that I have drawn before. Here we'll be making the two planks for the back seat. Now leaving a gap and making another line, another sleeping line, one more sleeping line, and joining these two with the standing lines. Be careful, you have to leave the space in between. You don't have to outline the whole rectangle that I made with the pencil earlier. Now we are just doubling the support line. So if you have a problem joining the line in between, you can just draw two standing lines in continuation. Even the lines which are behind the rectangular planks. And then we can just outline the lines, the top one, the middle ones, and the one in the lower part. Similarly, we'll do in the other side. Now just outlining the lines for the seat. We just have to do the same lines that we have drawn with the pencil. Standing line, making a sleeping line here. Another slanting line this side, standing, and then again a sleeping line. Now we'll be just doubling the lines for the leg, making two lines around the standing line that we have drawn with the pencil, a curve and one more curve. Similarly on the other side, making two standing lines around the pencil line, joining it with a curve and then one more curve. Now I'm just outlining on the pencil line for the back side legs, then joining it with a curve, another curve. Similarly on the other side. Now I'm just adding few lines to give the texture on the bench. So these lines are random. You can add big and small lines according to the space that you have. The link for all the products that I am using in this video are available in the description. You can just check them there. I hope you're liking the drawing and you're finding it very easy to draw. Do like and subscribe to my channel for daily drawing tutorials, and also turn on the bell icon for the regular notifications. I'm just adding a zigzag line at the bottom to draw the grass. So we are done with the drawing and also the outlining of our drawing. Once we are done with it, I am just erasing the pencil lines that I have drawn before, as it was only for our help. So we don't need them now, so I am just erasing them with the eraser. Please share your feedback for this video in the comment section. And also you can let me know if you want me to draw anything specific, anything that you're not able to draw on your own. I can provide you a step-by-step tutorial of the same. You can just mention it in the comment section. So I am using a brown color, a dark brown color here. In this Faber-Castell set we have different shades of browns, so we can use different shades in the bench. You can use different shades as per your choice in any section of the drawing. So I am doing the coloring in sleeping lines, not leaving any spaces in between, and just follow the direction. You can also check the other videos on different topics which are uploaded in this channel. So I am just coloring the same color in the support. Now I am doing a darker brown color in the legs. So it's a smaller space, so I am just doing it in standing lines and not leaving any gaps in between. Similarly, we are doing it on the other side as well. So just doing it in a standing lines. Whichever direction you start with, try to finish your drawing in the same direction. So here, like, I have started with the standing lines, so I am making sure that I finish this part in standing lines only. Now I am also adding a black color to do at the bottom of the legs. This is also the Faber-Castell pencil color. The links for all the products are given in the video description. You can check them there and order for yourself. And now I am adding a light green color for the grasses. So just do it in one direction, do not leave any spaces in between, and you will get the smoothness of coloring. So like I said before, we have to do it in one direction. Now, like, I have started this part in sleeping lines, so I'm just doing it in sleeping lines, not changing the direction and also not leaving any white spaces in between. Now after I'm done with this, I am doing a light brown color in the remaining part of my drawing. Please like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for regular notifications, as I am coming up with a new tutorial every day. And also you can let me know in the comment section. You can share your feedback and please share it with your friends. So here we are done with the whole drawing and the coloring as well. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.